Hello my beautiful people, this is Dipanjan here and welcome to my channel Digitex Media. Many people are doing blogging these days and they are claiming to earn some $5,000, $10,000 and many more. Means all of them are means you will find this kind of claims on other YouTube channels and other blogs also. If you go to Google search and try to find what are the legitimate ways to earn money online or what are the online businesses you can do, you will find in those kind of blogs people will write that by doing blogging they are earning this much, by doing YouTube channel they are earning this much. It might be possible. I am not going to verify them. Neither me nor you are going to verify them whether they are earning it or not, but these businesses are legitimate. But one thing which they are not telling that means it's take a lots of time to reach that kind of earnings. Means it's not about 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. It's not like that. At least 1 to 2 years it will take to reach to that point where you can earn that amount of money which they are not telling you. So jumping directly into that kind of business, it's not considerable. Many of those who are doing this kind of businesses, they are selling online courses also, which is also a good legitimate form of business. But if they are earning that amount of money, why they are selling course? My course question is that if their earnings is that much, selling course means why I will sell course if I am earning that that amount of money? Means I don't know, but then also selling courses is a means legitimate business and many people are doing it these days. So in this video I am going to talk only about blogging, not any other form of online business. Earning income from a blog is very difficult. It takes lots of time. You have to continuously research and publish content without giving break for a single day. Blogging has become too competitive and earning money from is very difficult. You have to get constant traffic to earn money from AdSense, and you will means it's very difficult. It's not so easy. So jumping what you are doing right now, if you are in some kind of job, or if you are a student, it's the best time to start a blog, because you don't have any compulsion to provide something to your family, or you are not in other part-time things. Without doing blog, it's better to do some other kind of part-time job. Blogging is, people start blogging as their hobby, or you can say as their passion. After doing blogging for 2 to 3 years, if the earning starts from AdSense, that's completely okay, but you have to wait up to that much time. It's means you have to wait it, otherwise you will not be able to sustain in blogging. About 70 million posts are being published each month by WordPress users, so you can understand the competition you are going to face. Moreover, to rank a keyword properly, you have to continuously work on it so that it can rank in the ACRP, which is a very hectic process. And organic keywords, it's very difficult getting. You have to post your content on various social media platforms so that people will come to your blog post, and you will your ranking and the traffic will improve. You have to identify the most profitable keywords from some keyword research tool and go through Google Analytics to check the performance of those keywords and also your blog post. Here one thing I want to mention, that these keyword research tools are not free. You can use Google Keyword Planner in the beginning, but if you want to take blogging as a profession, in the long run you have to invest in some keyword research tools. The most famous one are SEMrush and Ahrefs. They are both very good. You can invest in one of them. The next important action you have to take is to share your content on various social media platforms on a regular basis, and this process is called off-page SEO. I will suggest you not to share your content on various platforms. Instead, focus only on one platform according to your niche and grow your audience through it. The most important factor for a successful blog is its content. As it is said, content is king. The quality of your content will determine the success of your blog. You have to read and write regularly to post quality content. Otherwise, you will not get quality visitors. You have to learn SEO and optimize your blog with the most lucrative keywords. The beauty of SEO optimization is it will help your blog to get visibility in front of your audience. After crossing all these hurdles, you have to get approval from AdSense to monetize your blog. There are certain criteria to get approval from AdSense, which includes at least 15 to 20 posts, an about us page, contact page, terms and conditions, privacy policy, disclosure. Getting quality traffic into your blog is the most important and difficult part of blogging, which will also determine your blog earnings. In simple words, more traffic is equal to more earnings, which you will not get organically. After AdSense approval, start running some paid ads for your blog to gain some traffic. Google Ads and Facebook Ads are a great option for paid ads, which is not too costly and can bring great results. It's better to take up some course on Facebook and Google Ads. The uniqueness of these ad networks are you will be able to target audience according to their age, location, behavior and interest. If you can't able to target the right audience, you will simply lose your money and will not be able to attract quality traffic to your blog. If you want to learn the process of targeting audience through Facebook and Google Ads, it's better to take up a course on digital marketing, which I also did during my learning phase. The link of a course I have provided in the description below. The main thing is it's a long-term process to set up a business like this, and it requires patience and commitment to become successful. You should start it when you are a student or you are in some kind of job. It will help you to grow the business and keep yourself mentally strong because money matters. In brief, as you will see, many marketing experts will tell you that your income will increase exponentially by blogging, but it's not always true. It requires time and patience. So if you found some useful information from this video, please like it and subscribe my channel for more new and relevant content. Until then, bye bye and take care.